Greetings. Thank you for spending some of your time with me. Just a quick one today. This is Boxy. She took over my pillow. It's not your pillow, Boxy says. It's my pillow, Boxy says. Boxy, you took my pillow. Oh well. Guess I'll have to share the pillow with Boxy. Either that or get a new pillow. What do you say, Boxy? Can you share the pillow with me? I don't know, she says. What you holding? What you doing? Oh, Boxy. Boxy took my pillow. Have an enjoyable day, everyone. And I hope you have your own pillow. That's from me to you.